Well, hi everybody, and good Thursday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we start the morning off. Much quieter last night than previously expected. A lot of our showers and storms that were out west yesterday, late in the afternoon and the evening hours, really kind of fizzled out to nothing as they made their way eastward. Now, that being said, we are seeing some activity this morning, but let's go back to, of course, what we had last night. We had heavy rainfall in southwest Nebraska, and we could anticipate a little more rain coming in here over the next 24 plus hours. So there are flash flood watches in effect for Hitchcock and Dundee County. Meanwhile, we continue with the flood warnings along the Platte River from near Central City all the way back to the west, all the way through Ogallala. And with more high waters way out towards the west, this water probably is not going to go down a whole lot in the coming week ahead of us or so. So the flood warnings continue for many locations along the Platte River. Now, out there this morning, we do have some showers in southeast Nebraska, mainly east of Highway 81. Meanwhile, to the west of that, not really seeing anything. So futurecast a little off on that for central Nebraska. Not really anticipating much. It's only about a 20% chance we see anything during the daytime hours today, but we could continue to see some activity, some showers and isolated thunderstorms in eastern Nebraska, again, mainly east of Highway 81. Meanwhile, more showers and thunderstorms will develop out west later on today. These could potentially be strong to severe, something we'll have to watch for. They'll push eastward during the evening and overnight hours. The severe weather threat does go down once we get past sunset, so not expecting much for severe weather in central Nebraska or eastern Nebraska, although it's not completely out of the question. Again, the better chances will be out towards the west. And by tomorrow morning, we're down to just about a 20% chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms, not much activity. The chances of rain pretty low during the morning, but get better during the afternoon hours behind a cold front that's passing through. And along with that, cooler air will start to filter in, especially up towards the north and west later in the afternoon hours. And this is kind of our last chance of rain for several days to come. It'll kind of wind down for Friday night, and by Saturday, we're looking at drier weather. Now, as for our severe weather risk, there is a slight risk of severe weather out in western Nebraska from about Lexington westward, Lexington Broken Bow westward. And this is where the best chance of severe weather will be late this afternoon and this evening. Right now, it looks like large hail and damaging winds the main threat with any thunderstorms that do develop. The tornado threat is very small, not completely zero, but very small. Better chances down in northern or in western portions of Kansas. The rest of us are under a marginal risk, so it's not out of the question that we see a strong to severe thunderstorm, especially towards tonight. That being said, though, the chance is pretty limited, and then that marginal risk will be in southeast Nebraska. Not expecting a great chance of severe weather for tomorrow. Temperatures for today, and these are really contingent on if we see a lot of sun or not. I'm banking on more cloud cover, so I'm going to go with mid-70s for the most part, some places in the upper 70s. If we can see a little more sun, maybe upper 70s to near 80 for a few more locations. Again, some late-day showers and storms out towards the west. Very small chance of a shower thunderstorm in central Nebraska, north central Kansas. Better chances to the east, so we'll have about a 50-50 chance of some showers and isolated thunderstorms. Now to your extended forecast. Again, better chances of rain tonight, a lull in the activity tomorrow morning, then more showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Wrapping up on early Saturday morning, we'll see a mainly dry weekend. A little cooler for Saturday. We'll warm it up a little bit more for Sunday. Not bad for the weekend, just a little bit below average. By next Monday, we're going to throw in a very small mention that we may see a shower or isolated thunderstorm Sunday night into Monday. It's not a great chance, though, so I've actually kept it out of the forecast, but I can at least mention it here. We'll start to warm it up, though, heading into next week. Highs back into the upper 70s to low and mid 80s. Next chances of showers and storms will enter the picture Tuesday night out west into Wednesday, and even lasting into Wednesday night. Big questions on the severity of that as of yet, if we would see that or not. But at this point, again, it does look like decent chances of rain towards the middle of next week. So there is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Thursday.